Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking in on the markets. The SPY is victorious in a big way over the week, closing on top with a very strong day at the high of the day. Looked like we were going to form a bull flag, but even at this point, we haven't even seen enough consolidation for it to be called a bull flag. So it's just extremely strong. We only have the high of this move to be looking at, which is pretty much where we closed. 278.28, 278.25, so a little double top, but that's only because we ran out of time at the end of the day. So at this point, the bulls are still within striking distance. We're above the upper Bollinger Band, and we're in breakout mode, and we're within striking distance of this very key weekly level, and that's up at 279.29. So if the bulls break that level, we're just looking at all-time highs. This is the direction to be looking in because IWM has been a bit of a lead indicator in terms of the markets, and it's been in blue sky breakout for a while now. So we're just looking for SPY to make its way. Again, it's going to be up to the bulls to fumble and the bears to step up and prove themselves, which would require a break of 267.76. That's our new weekly high or low, and of course, that's nowhere near happening at this point. So bulls are full steam ahead right now. And let's look at the monthly time frame, which I haven't done in a while. But I'm assuming it looks like a bull flag before continuation, which would be an extremely bullish pattern overall. And that is exactly what it looks like. So let's see if the bulls can get increasing volume. I am watching a scenario where we have a potential monthly equilibrium with an all-time high, low of the pullback, and then a lower high and a higher low if we cannot break 285.49. But if we do break this weekly level that I just highlighted in the 279s, that's going to increase the odds fairly significantly that the bulls can break the all-time high without needing that extra monthly consolidation. IWM on the daily time frame, inside bar, close up at the high of the day. So on Monday, we're watching the range of the inside bar, 165.76 to 166.61. If we break 166.61, all-time high is next, 167.23. And again, the fact that we've been at all-time highs for weeks, running extremely strong, is a point in favor of the other markets to do the same, as it gives confidence, and that's what we're confidence. That's, you know what I'm saying. The rare fumble of words. I'm just going to roll with it. IWM breaking out above the weekly upper Bollinger Band, and look at that significant with 3 rejections back at the previous all-time highs. That was actually 4 rejections. Then we had another 3 rejections and a close above the upper Bollinger Band. So IWM extremely strong. QQQ, very healthy consolidation. This is more of a bull flag, so a little bit more pullback with a lower high and a lower low the past couple of days. And you can see SPY does not have that because the bulls held the low of Thursday on Friday. So QQQ, more of a bull flag. We'll see if the bulls can show up and get some follow through. It's been very healthy consolidation at this point. And we're looking at 173.18 as support. And then there's a little gap at 172.84. In terms of resistance, 174.88 and 175.93 are the 2 resistance levels before we're looking at continuation in the all-time highs. Again, upper Bollinger Band, a bit of a resistance to be keeping an eye out here as well. We pulled back from just under that level, but overall, bulls in full control. So we got all-time highs on QQQ, IWM, and we're just watching to see if SPY is next. And it's still going to take a few weeks for SPY to get there, in my opinion, but that's the direction we're headed. VIX, upper wicks of profit taking. So bulls, look at the closes. Ever since that 2-day bull move, close at the low, close in the middle of the day, low, 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 middle of the day, low. So there is no momentum heading into the next day ever in the past couple weeks as we're closing nowhere near the high. You have to close at the high to be looking for momentum continuation. We've seen plenty of examples of that for SPY on this move up, and we're just not seeing with VIX. So VIX is closing weak. Support is down at 11.22, the weekly time frame. After 11.22, there's not a ton of support left. We're looking down at 10.91 and then down around the $10 level and the upper $9 level. So the bears are very clearly in control still. I am not giving up on VIX, TVIX, and UVXY, but there is nothing that is telling me to look for a play at this point. But it's something I'm going to keep an eye on just because we know SPY is going to need healthy consolidation, which has not happened yet. And I was anticipating healthy consolidation, you know, the last couple of days, maybe into early next week, but the bulls aren't really showing us that. So watching for the potential of a play on VIX and TVIX approaching, but I want to see a loss of the upper Bollinger Band to indicate that healthy daily consolidation is coming for SPY. And we have 3 days in a row closing above that level, keeping the bulls extremely strong. So that's where we stand as we head into this coming week. It's bulls in full control. Bears have to show us something, and they're not doing it. And we'll see if the tech sector, it's the tech sector and the financial sector that just keep switching off in terms of strength the last couple of days. So if we look at XLF, we have the continuation attempt as the bulls look just fine inside bar, and we already broke to a little higher low and higher high the last week. And XLK, very healthy consolidation, trying for that bull flag, same pattern as QQQ. So both names still extremely strong in the short term, and we'll see if we keep that up Monday. See you then.